So we are just into our summer kitchen campaign, and you can see we've got these lovely, bright, colourful pieces here that we've set up in our scene. And I'll start with this piece here on my right, which is an original kitchen shelving unit from India in its original bright blue colour. You can see it's got these lovely shelves down there that we've put pots and little bottles and plants and coasters, and then it's got a little plate rack on the bottom there. It's got hanging hooks at the back, so it could be hung if you wanted to hang it above a larger piece, or it could rest on the floor like that one has done there. So we've kind of put lots of colourful pots and plants into our scene here. One of the main pieces we've got is this lovely turquoise, green and blue piece here. Solid teak, was an original kitchen cabinet, would have had a wire mesh in here, but we've taken that out. The only other thing we've done to this is to literally just give it a wash and a good wax and a good polish up. It's got two shelves inside. I will open it out and let's have a quick look. Aha, 3 shelves. So it's got a third shelf at the very, very bottom there. We've put bottles, displays, but if you wanted to use that space on the top there, then you could put another cabinet on top of that again. So just going over to this side here, we've got our small table here, table suitable for 2 people for dining, 4 people if you were having drinks. And just behind that, we've got, again, another original Indian kitchen rack that would have been used for storing spices and cups and plates and bowls. Spices would have gone inside the little cabinet there. We've just put glasses on the top, and then we've put some plants on the side there. Just going round to this side here, a really, really striking piece is this lovely green cabinet. Again, we've left it completely original. It's got the painted glass with parrots in there and lovely carved top here. And then what I've done is, on top of the green one, is to put this lovely blue open display cabinet there where I put some plants inside. So yeah, that's generally what our kitchen scene is about, and I've decorated it with some of these placemats and some of these lovely stone coasters here as well. And you can see we've got these lovely original vintage soda crates here, one for Gold Spot and one for Citra. So yeah, you can see overall we've gone for a really eclectic style for the kitchen. Mismatched pieces, there's no symmetry to the way things have been displayed. It's all kind of thought through in terms of pieces with lots of storage, pieces with colour, pieces with character and carving. And then we've decorated that with some wall prints, old wall prints, a tiger's head, and then a Ganesh head up there as well, just to really kind of make those colours pop out a little bit more. So there you go, Scaramanga's vintage kitchen scene.